Is your Eufy camera constantly sending false alarms? The first step is understanding motion sensitivity and activity zones. Motion sensitivity dictates how easily your camera detects movement, ranging from 1, highly sensitive, to 10, less so. Start by lowering the sensitivity to reduce triggers from minor movements like leaves or insects. Activity zones are customizable areas within the camera's view. By default, the entire frame is active. Create zones to focus surveillance on critical areas and exclude irrelevant ones like roads or trees. Access these settings in the Eufy app under Camera Settings and Motion Detection. If you have pets, the pet filter is crucial. It uses AI to recognize pets like dogs and cats and ignore their movements below a certain size threshold. Ensure the pet filter is enabled in the Eufy app. Configure the pet size setting to match your pets. Small for cats, medium or large for dogs. This prevents false alarms from pet movements. If false alarms continue, double-check your camera placement. Avoid positioning in windy areas or near moving objects like trees, which can trigger unwanted detections. Ensure your firmware is up to date, as updates include better AI algorithms for pet detection. Regularly check the Eufy app for AI-powered diagnostics that analyze your video feeds and suggest optimizations. As a final step, if all else fails, consider contacting Eufy support. Provide your camera model and a detailed description of the issue for model-specific assistance.